Here I have Umidigi A3S, and today I'm going to show you how to perform factory reset operation on this device. So first of all, you have to open settings, then you have to enter system section, go to the advanced, then go to the reset options, and here you have to select the last option, erase all data factory reset, then tap on reset phone, and then tap erase everything to confirm whole operation. And after that your device will be restarted in a few minutes. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.